Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong online. First, select a reliable online platform or application that suits your preferences. Next, take some time to understand the fundamental rules of Mahjong, as variations exist. Then, get comfortable with the platform's interface and controls. Finally, I recommend practicing against computer opponents to build confidence before joining games with other players. This will help you grasp the flow of the game. Mahjong is typically played with 144 tiles, divided into suits and honor tiles. Your primary goal is to form 4 sets and 1 pair. A set can be 3 identical tiles, known as a pung, or 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit, called a chow. Additionally, there are various special hands that can lead to a win, adding depth and excitement to every round. Understanding these basics is key to enjoying the game. When choosing an online Mahjong platform, prioritize those with a vibrant and active community of players. It is also beneficial to find platforms that offer customizable rule sets, allowing you to experience different Mahjong variations. A stable and fair playing environment is crucial for an enjoyable experience, so read reviews. Many platforms also provide helpful tutorials and practice modes, which are excellent for honing your skills before competitive play. To master online Mahjong, always pay close attention to the tiles your opponents discard. This provides valuable clues about their hands. Develop a flexible strategy for building your own hand, adapting as the game progresses. Many platforms offer in-game chat, which can enhance the social aspect of play. Finally, take time to review your past games. Analyzing your decisions helps you learn from mistakes and improve your overall strategy for future rounds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.